guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I have for you a room tour. As you guys know, I'm constantly redoing my room because I get bored easily and I'm constantly like just refreshing my space, changing things around. And I decided to just hurry up and do a room tour before this whole thing changes again. But I'm so happy that you're here for me to just share with you guys how I've redecorated my room. I'm so in love with it right now. It's so cozy, it's so neutral. It's just all good vibes. I'm obsessed with everything in here. When I decided to redecorate a bit, I kept like 3 things in mind. I wanted it to be very practical. I wanted it to be really cozy, and I wanted it to be very neutral because I feel like a neutral room is it's just perfect. It's grown, it's sexy, and I definitely just wanted to like just capture all of those things when I decided to redo it. There's still a few more things that I want to add in here, maybe some more artwork and stuff, but for now I just decided to just show you what it looks like as is. So with that being said, let's jump right in. So upon entering my room, this is the first thing that you typically see, the bed and my artwork. So here's a quick overview of my entire room from just standing at the entrance of my door here. To the left is this area that I've recently created. It's kind of like a inspo corner slash sitting area. So this chair is actually from Target. I found it randomly on sale. It was like $178 or something like that. I love this chair. I think it is just so cozy, and I can just honestly just sit in here and just have a vibe, read, have some coffee, and I just love the hanging plant here. It's just such a good energy, and the images on the wall just like inspire me because I am such a huge Rihanna fan. I love her, and this shoot just really shows like her growth over the past few years, and she just looks so grown, sexy, unbothered, what I aspire to be. So I love this corner, and each month or so I'll just switch out the photos and put something else there that I'm loving. But to start off the inspo corner, Rihanna, of course, and it couldn't be happier. So love this corner for that reason. And directly to the left here is just this hanging plant. This is from IKEA. It is not real, it's just a faux plant, but I love that it's in this dark green shade, so it looks a lot more real than it really is. But that's it for this corner. Really cozy, and I just love the vibes of this entire corner. Such a vibe. So I absolutely love having my seating area right in front of my closet because I can just hop in here at any moment and just choose an outfit and stuff, and kind of just open both doors and be seated while I choose an outfit, you know, just like that store dressing room vibe. I feel like that's so cute. I play music here, I get dressed. I also have a smaller mirror to the side there that I just lean up in front of this area as I get dressed, and I love the entire vibe of this area now. This chair was originally by my window, but I found it so uncomfortable to sit there because it's so cold now, and a draft was like coming through, so I didn't want to like sit there and get sick. So over here is a lot warmer and more cozy. So alright guys, so moving right along, that door is actually my bathroom in case you guys were curious. And now we're on to this area of my room. So over here I just have this dresser that I picked up from Crate and Barrel. I love this dresser so much. I'm so lucky that I found it when I did because it was on sale and I just leaped. It is the perfect dresser. It's the dresser that I've been wanting for so many years. Well, not this exact one, but I've wanted a dresser that was low enough but also very sleek and the perfect color. And I finally stumbled upon this beautiful dresser from Crate and Barrel, and I'm so obsessed with it. Like, everything about it is just perfect. It is really heavy though, like it's the heaviest thing I've ever heavy. So on top of the dresser here, I just have 3 vases. This one is from Crate and Barrel. Love it. It's like speckled. I think that's so cool. And then over here, I just have this gold, bronzy, chrome looking vase. I love the shade of this so much. I thought it was so beautiful. And then this one is just the Kinai Vase from Crate and Barrel as well. And then directly in the corner, I have these 3 little bin basket things from IKEA. Now, I do have some Pampas Grass on its way to live in this vase, but they're not here yet. And they're gonna be like an oatmeal shade, so I feel like it's gonna look so nice in that vase there. But I love this corner so much. It's so minimal, so like chic and just simple, very homey and warm, and I love that so much. Love everything about this corner here, and I love this dresser so much. It also has the gold detailing on the handles here. I love that it's like a very subtle gold. I feel like that was so stunning, and I'm just so grateful that I was able to get that. I love it so much. So this bed is from Amazon. I got it so long ago. I'm kind of over it though, because I really want a bed that's wooden, but until then, well, I'm just going to stick with it. Above my bed is this painting I did the other day. This painting has changed so many times. It's not done yet. I'm just waiting for like the spackle to like, well, it's dry already, but I kind of want to add some brown or black to it. But I just feel like those shades are just so dark, and I'm just so afraid to mess it up. Because right now it's just like a white painting on the wall. It's just very basic. So I kind of wanted to add something additional to it to make it, you know, pop a little bit more. But until then, I'm just going to allow it to just stay. It doesn't look too bad. And my pillows are just from random places. And my sheets are from Crate and Barrel. It's the hemp fiber sheets. These sheets are absolutely, they're so comfy, you guys. You'll never sleep on sheets that comfy in your entire life. On the side table here, I have this vase from Crate and Barrel with this Pampas Grass that's from Crate and Barrel as well. I love that it's kind of like an off-white kind of color. It's not a white. I feel like that really gave it a really good touch. This is a Alex 9 thing from IKEA, but the short ones. I do want to get a real side table though, but again, waiting until I find the perfect one. Ideally, I would like one in that same color. Then on the side table, I have this tray here that I got from a seller on Instagram. I'll leave her at below. My eye mask, IKEA, my Bible, and to the right here, just have this shelving unit that used to be over there, if you remember. It's just the shelving unit that has my perfumes, dust bags from Louis Vuitton because they match my room, my Jacquemus bag, and some heels down there. Nothing special with this corner really. Then over here we just have my curtains. I'm so happy that I decided to add curtains, you guys, because curtains just really elevate your space, give you like a different vibe. So vibey, so dreamy, and just so lovely. I love them. And then over here, I just have my mirror, obviously. This is my very large mirror from IKEA. Then on the floor here, I got this massive rug. This is a 6x9, I think. And it just fits perfectly halfway under my bed and then along the area here. So I really do love this rug. It's huge, it's not too plush and not too rough. It's like perfect. And then finally in my room, you guys, I have my ring light and my tripod just standing right here. This is the only place that I really can put them, but it's fine. I use them so often because I have to film and stuff, so it's completely fine for now. They just kind of stay there. And then on the floor here, I have this basket bin thing, and this is where I keep my throw blanket for the night. And then on the tray here, I have another like bamboo looking thing. This is just a tray to keep my laptop in, my phone and stuff at night. I just love just using this, you know, to keep like my electronics, because I can easily just move it to the floor or move it to the bed, either way. And I also like to put food on here too. I rarely ever eat on my bed, but if I do, I use this tray as well. So it's like multi-purposed and all of that. Blanket is from Target. Pillows from Target, Target. Sheets from Crate and Barrel. And then that's pretty much it for my room right now, you guys. I can't wait to just like add more pieces to the space. Maybe some artwork and stuff, because I do have a lot of wall space. I don't believe in having TVs in your room, so I'm not gonna add a television, but I feel like a projector would be really, really cute. So that's pretty much it for my room tour, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links to everything, if they're available, will be in my description box below. And until next time, I will see you soon. Bye!